Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. On this episode of the SIKKY E30 Turnkey Swap Project, we're going to get this motor finished up and ready to drop in, do a couple other modifications and prep work to the chassis itself, and hopefully by the end of this episode we'll have this engine sitting on the subframe and ready for the next step. So this motor is upside down, so we're going to put the driver on this side using the supplied SIKKY hardware. Alright, now we're going to get these tightened down. And then move on to the other side. All the SIKKY mount kits come with high grade hardware, so you don't have to worry about bolts not doing what they're supposed to do. Alright, so you can see like this lip right here and this one right here stick up above this nut, so we just want to get them down to the point where they're at least flush with that nut. Pretty good on that one. Basically just rolling it over further, so don't have to worry about damaging anything. It's not doing anything to the steering rack itself. Again, bend this out of the way for the moment. Simple as that. Right, so take a little lube, put it on the bushing of the eyeball arm. Just get it started. And use the rubber mallet to Alright, we're going to clean this hole out, get it ready for the new bearing. Make sure it's going in square. Next step, we're going to get this new flywheel installed. Pressure plate. We're gonna hit it with some brake clean. This XED clutch kit came with the alignment tool, which makes it real easy. Slide that in. Now we're gonna put the pressure plate on. Line the steel pins we just installed. I like to put just a little bit of Loctite on these pressure plate bolts just to make them sure they don't come out. All right, now we're ready to drop it in. All right, hold up. All right, now it's sitting on its mount, so we're gonna tighten these bolts down that we left loose. All right, so now we got the motor sitting on the mounts, we're gonna get these nuts installed. Go to the other side. Take the SIKKY T56 cross member and line that up with the bolts. All right, so good day's work. We got the engine transmission bolted up, clutch and flywheel installed. Next time around, we're gonna get the drive shaft and the headers installed and see what else we can get done. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell to turn notifications on so you don't miss the next episode. We'll see you next time.